Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the trigger on your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can significantly improve its functionality. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you through it. Step 1. Gather your tools. To begin, you will need a few specific tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. If you don't have these tools handy, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to take care of your Dyson needs. Step 2. Disconnect the vacuum. Before proceeding, make sure to unplug your Dyson V11 and remove the battery for safety. This step is crucial to avoid any accidental activations during the repair. Step 3. Remove the trigger cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the trigger cover. There are usually 2 screws to remove. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a secure place. You will need them later. If you're unsure about the process, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out. Step 4. Detach the trigger. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the trigger cover. Be cautious, as there are small clips that may hold it in place. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it apart if needed. Pay attention to the orientation of the trigger. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the compartment. Step 5. Install the new trigger. Now it's time to install the new trigger. Align it exactly as the old one was positioned. If you need assistance, our service can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Step 6. Reattach the trigger cover. Once the new trigger is in place, carefully place the cover back on. Ensure all clips are securely fastened, and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the plastic. Step 7. Reconnect the battery. With the trigger and cover securely in place, reconnect the battery to your Dyson V11. Plug in the vacuum and test the trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide no calls, no travel options for your convenience. Step 8. Final cleaning. After confirming that the trigger works properly, take the opportunity to clean the vacuum's exterior. A clean device not only looks better but also performs more efficiently. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember our pickup and delivery service to handle your Dyson repairs at home. This simple maintenance task can prolong the life of your Dyson V11 and enhance its performance. Following these steps will help you successfully replace the trigger and keep your vacuum running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.